Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Chinese bootleg company, which is the Daban, and this is a copy of the high-resolution model of the Gundam Wing EW series. And I know you're familiar, if you're a bootleg fan or third-party kits, this is the 8820 model of Daban, or the Gundam Wing high resolution model. So let's check this Chinese counterfeit here, and let's see what's inside. So there's the box for the Wing by Daban, which is 8820. So nothing special about this box aside from being gray and all blank here, aside from the marking here where it's written in China. So it's made in China. It's a counterfeit bootleg company, or the Daban. To be honest, I'm not a fan of Chinese fake kits or the bootleg kits. I may like the third-party original kits like the SNAA or the In Era, something like that. But this is my first time to build a Daban because I don't buy such kits like this, but I just give it a try. So if this kit turns into a trash, I might buy the Bandai Verka of this Wing EW kit. Anyway, let's check this kit out, and we have here the action base. So it's very nice. There's an action base included. We have white parts here, which is for the wings. Also here, so these are white parts and some poly caps there. We have gray parts and blue parts, and these are all gray parts, dark gray and light gray parts. We have brown parts here for, I think this one for the gun, the Buster rifle, and I find this nice to have this kind of brown color for the wing. And we have clear green pieces here. We have gray parts and red parts here. And there we have the beam saber effect, clear green beam saber effect parts. We have tiny pieces here, gray parts and blue parts. We have here gold sprayed pieces here for the V-fin, and I think this one for the shoulder and for the shield blade design, something like that. And finally we have here red parts and gray parts here for the hands, swappable hands, and inside there's this dry transfer decals and foil stickers there. And let's check this instruction manual. So we have here 8820-1100. So this is the code for the Wing high resolution endless waltz kit. This is the code for the Daban, and you can see here the typical Chinese style of printing the instruction manual, same like the Supernova in Era. So these are in black and white print, nothing special here. And I just noticed that The instruction here starts with building the inner frame, unlike in Bandai that you can build the inner frame together with the armor pieces. And then so after you build the inner frame here, that's the time you will apply the armor pieces for the kit. So I think this would be very nice because these are all my first time to build a Daban and build the inner frame first before the armor pieces, something like that. And I hope this will be nice and not a hand grenade as I watched from the other reviewers. But if it happens that this turn into a crappy hand grenade trash, I'll just throw it to the garbage. And there we have an instruction for the action base. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. And let's go first to the white runners, which comprises the wings and some armor pieces. So we have here a runner. There are no runner names here, so it's just a white runner. So we have here D, runner D. This one doesn't have any label, so let's just say it is for the wings, something like that. Very Chinese. And we have here runner D, this one, white parts. We have runner E3, so this is E3 here, and these are for the wings, and I think this one for the shield. We have another runner here, E1, so this is for the head and some part of the wings for the shield. We have polycaps, 6 pieces of polycaps. Then we go here to the gray parts. We have runner A4, I think this one for the wings, and gray part here, light gray part, runner F2. Okay, we have runner C1 for the blue parts for the torso and other armor pieces. So I didn't open this yet to avoid scratching because this is a spray paint piece here for the V-fins, the shield, the blade, and the shoulder armor. So we have here gray parts, runner K. So this ABS plastic as described here. So we have polystyrene B3 here, gray parts. We have ABS plastic runner H. So these are the hand parts and some joint parts here. We have polystyrene F1 runner here for the wings. Then for the Buster rifle, we have here ABS plastic runner A3. Okay. Then we go to the smaller runners. We have red runners here for the feet. So we have runner B1 and runner B2. Then we have here brownish gray parts for the wings. Also, this is ABS runner I. Then we have here brown plastics for the guns, I think, and some clear green pieces here. So this is A2 runner, and we have here A5 runner. Seem like they're almost the same. Yep, but this one doesn't have these pieces. Then we have a small blue runner here, runner C2. Then runner G2. And runner J for this glossy metallic grayish brown runner here. And finally we have here runner G1 for the shield, I think, and some armor pieces and swappable fingers. Then we have here beam saber effect parts, but unfortunately the other one is really bent due to the molding process, and you can see some bubbles there inside one of the beam saber, and it's made me a little mad due to the fact that the eye stickers are not properly cut. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but the eyes are being hit by the cut here, so the eyes will be half if you will apply to the eyes of the Gundam. So anyway, this is Chinese kit. Let's have a quick, or let's have a big patience when building this shit. To be honest, I hate bootlegs, but I just want to try how this kit will look like, even though I don't like building it. So I'll just make myself trained or practice on this kind of kit, because I'm used to original kits and other good Chinese third-party companies, but the bootlegs, these are all trash for me. Anyway, sorry for the bootleg fans. This is my opinion, and I hope you don't get mad at me after you watch this unboxing. Anyway, I will do my best in building this kit. And, by the way, there's this action-based stand here included, which I did not open yet to avoid messing my workplace. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, and take care. Happy building this Daban Wing bootleg kit. Bye.